You are driving along when your car suddenly feels sluggish, the performance drops, and it might even go into a frustrating limp mode because of a P022E code. This specific diagnostic trouble code points to a low electrical value in the charge air cooler bypass control B circuit, which is a fancy way of saying there is an issue with how your intercooler is managing air. In any engine with a turbo or supercharger, the intercooler acts like a radiator for air, cooling down the intake charge to make it denser and more efficient for better power and fuel economy. The bypass valve is there to let air skip the intercooler when it is not needed, but when the engine control module detects that the electrical signal is lower than it should be, it gets confused and pulls back on the power to protect the engine. While this could be an electrical glitch like a broken wire or a bad fuse, it is often a mechanical problem where the valve itself is stuck or jammed with gunk. You should start by locating the bypass valve along the charge piping and checking for any obvious physical damage or loose connectors. If you can get the valve out, give it a good cleaning and check if the internal flap moves freely without sticking. A great pro tip is to use your scan tool to command the valve to open and close while you watch it, which will tell you right away if the motor inside is actually working or if the mechanism is seized up. Do not let this one slide because a faulty intercooler bypass can lead to engine misfires and terrible gas mileage. So grabbing your multimeter and checking for continuity in the harness is a smart move before the problem leads to a much more expensive repair bill.